Yeah. Just keep breathing, bud. Keep breathing. Oh my God.
No one else got caught?
Nope. We're good.
Thank God.
As long as you're okay, we're fucking good.
That's twice.
Yeah, that's no more.
I don't think I have a third.
Just relax,
my
bud.
God.
Relax.
Did my bag pop?
Yeah. That thing fucking saved your ass. You ready?
It's
coming down the other side.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see it come?
Yeah.
You throttled it trying to stay up.
Yeah.
No shit. But he popped that bag.
What?
I didn't either.
I didn't. Yeah, I wasn't gonna play on the fish.
It's all right, bud.
Dude, we got you. You're out. Thank God for a bag.
Yeah.
Holy
Shit, man.
fuck.
Yeah.
Did you see the bag?
Oh yeah.
That's how we found you.
The bag was. We were all the way up.
that way, man.
Wait till you see how far you came.
Oh,
I can't believe you're not broke.
I hit pretty hard on one.
Yeah, your forehead's bruised and stuff.
I flew out of the snow and then hit hard.
You out of the snow?
It felt like it.
Oh, fuck.
No.
Take that.